In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Duolingo. So open up Duolingo. So once you're on your Duolingo account here, so in order to change your profile picture, you're going to go and click on your profile icon here, which is on your bottom here. So click on the profile icon. So once you're on the profile icon here, you'll get to your account profile details here. So in order to add or change your profile picture, you're going to use avatar because Duolingo uses avatar as your profile picture. So you go to simply set up your avatar in order to create or change your profile picture. Tap on the plus icon here, and then once you click on that, it will take you to this creation mode here where you can choose like each one of these features for yourself. So you can choose your body, your eyes, okay, your comb, your hair color, all those things and everything. Okay, so you can just choose all these things here. So your colors, colors, everything. Look, if you scroll down, here, you will see these various things that's popping up, and you can simply set it up and create your your own personalized avatar here, which is going to be your profile picture. Once you're done, hit on the done option here, and once you click on the done option, and that's it, your avatar will be created. As you can see, your profile has now been replaced with your avatar. So that's how you do it.